guitar, violin,
elephant.
The fox and the crow. One day, a crow is very lucky. She finds a piece of meat and flies up into the tree with it. She wants to have it herself.